After 20 plus years of teaching guitar and obsessing over faster and easier ways to learn, I discovered one massive mistake secretly killing progress for almost every guitarist, causing them to waste hundreds of hours going nowhere. But here's the good news. Once you know this mistake and how to fix it, you'll unlock an incredible, powerful shortcut. A simple cheat code that accelerates your guitar progress so dramatically it feels like you're cheating. But first, let's start with the real reason guitarists get stuck wasting hours not going anywhere. To answer this, let's quickly rewind history. In the 1950s, guitarists learned by ear, from records or friends. Resources were limited, but their ears became finely tuned, making them great musicians in the long run. Fast forward to the 1980s, VHS tapes and tab books arrived. Players could finally copy their heroes note for note, speeding up their progress. Then came today's internet era, and suddenly every guitar lesson imaginable is available instantly online. Sounds perfect, right? Not exactly. It all comes down to what I call the progress pyramid. Most guitarists start strong at tier 1, mastering the basics. But to reach tier 3, your dream level on guitar, you need to build the right skills and gather the right information to get there. And this is the biggest problem. Most guitarists turn to YouTube for guidance, which in today's world is like an all-you-can-eat buffet. With so many options, scales, modes, chords, theory, technique, you end up bloated, overwhelmed, and unsure what exactly helps you improve. So to stop this happening, instead of chasing every random lesson, you need a clear roadmap that moves you directly toward your bigger goal. With a clear destination, you have a direct route to success, avoiding unnecessary detours and distractions. To do this, I have a simple 4-stage process. Number 1, set your clear guitar goal. Ask yourself honestly, what do you really want to achieve on the guitar? Is it playing your favourite songs effortlessly, improvising solos confidently, writing and performing your own music? Take a moment and list everything you'd love to accomplish. And if you like free weekly tips like this to help you learn quicker, sign up to my email list. Link in the description. For each big goal, identify the smaller, specific goals you'll need. Example, big goal, learn to improvise solos. Smaller steps, learn notes on the fretboard, master pentatonic scales, practice bending and vibrato, develop phrasing and rhythm, train your ears to recognise notes and intervals. The list goes on. And if you're really stuck on what the smaller goals could be, you could just Google the question and it should give you a half-decent list to start off with. Number 3, identify your weakest link. Look at those smaller steps. Pinpoint which one is holding you back the most. Maybe you're struggling with fretboard knowledge or phrasing, and clearly identify what this is. Spend focused practice time every day on your weakest skill. Even short daily sessions targeting your biggest weaknesses unlock progress faster than hours spent randomly learning new techniques. Now you've got the clear path to learn guitar 10 times faster. This could all be a complete waste because 99% of guitarists still make 5 huge mistakes that cost them years and destroy their progress. So watch this video next and I'll show you exactly what those mistakes are so you can avoid them to skyrocket your playing. So go and click there right now.